Hey everyone, Canadian Trucker here. Today is November 23rd, 2020. We're in the town of Monon, Indiana. Just delivered some cross members to a trailer manufacturer, Vanguard. Now we're heading to Troy, Illinois to pick up something for Calgary, Alberta. Nice day down here. It's like 49 degrees or plus 10-ish. I don't know. Whatever it is. Pretty decent. Thought we would try something new at Casey's. Everybody's been telling me all these different, kinds of pizza they have, and I should get away from the pepperoni. Not my style typically, but today I thought we'd try out chicken, bacon, and ranch. It's one of their specialty pizzas. I asked, no onions, nothing like that. Just should be chicken, bacon, ranch, and cheese. So we're gonna try that one out. See how it is. Let's take a look. Alrighty, let's take a look. Chicken, bacon, ranch. I hope that's all that's on there. I asked, they said no onions or anything. Not a bad looking pizza. Doesn't look too bad. It smells interesting, to say the least. I don't even know how to describe it, but like, it's a good looking pizza. There it is. Chicken, bacon, ranch, cheese on a nice thin crust, and they cut it properly for me. Without further ado, no tomato sauce, just ranch. All the toppings kind of pulled off. It's pretty fresh here. That's actually pretty good. What it tastes exactly like is any chicken burger ever that has bacon and cheese on it and ranch. I always ask for no mayo. I put ranch on chicken burgers myself, and this just tastes like the chicken burger. It's pretty damn good. Got ourselves a can of Coca-Cola. Refreshing as always. Not much more to say about it. I mean, that's a real good pizza. I would get it again. Will I? I don't know. Pepperoni's still my favorite, but I guess if you need to change things up, there's nothing wrong with that. They have a couple other kinds that I'm going to try eventually, but baby steps. If you guys don't know who Dennis78382 is, he told me he's going to do a pizza video this week, and if he does, I'm going to leave the link down below. And yeah, I mean, it's Dennis78382, but give him some support. I never miss one of his videos. I think I've seen every video from day one. Ain't that right, Dennis? So yeah, there it is. Get it, try it. I'm gonna finish this off and be on my way. Short video for you guys. It's just pizza. You've seen it before. Maybe not this kind, but I'll be back again. Thanks for coming, everybody. See you next time. Well, it's a beautiful morning in Kenmare, North Dakota. No wind. Very nice.